So this is the name of my workshop. Whoa. Look at those clouds. That is one of the beautiful things about Palmdale. I'm headed to San Jose today, 6-hour drive. Here we are, Villa Montalvo. We got marshmallows, we got scissors, we got yarn, we got all kinds of stuff. I'm gonna be teaching teachers how to use the arts in order to build community in their classroom, and then to expand that out.
Look, he's got marshmallows on deck. I don't even know if y'all know what types of stuff are going down.
They have a pile of stuff on their tables, and I told them to make something. I didn't tell them what. I said the only rule is everyone has to play a part, and then they have to tell me what they built. Are you still just winging it? Or sorry.
We got a man in it.
Yeah, we're gonna change this to a bed now.
And
I figured I'd like to make an instrument.
Here I am in the theater. Got my camera ready to go. Jeff Chang's about to go on and speak, and the theater's starting to get filled up.
Throughout history, the arts and culture have brought about revolutions. Not the kind that are measured in death tolls and property damages and fortunes made and fortunes lost. The arts and culture have brought about revolutions of seeing and revolutions of being.
People unite as one.
We're at Montalvo Art Center.
squad.
We are bridging the gap, transforming perceptions of division. That's what we're doing today, AKA changing the world.
Changing the world, and we
Changing the
got
world.
East Coast, we got New York over here, we got San Jose Bay Area, and Los Angeles. So
Way to be.
it was soulful, it was intellectual, it was powerful. People coming together, learning how to use the arts to make the world a better place, to make their classrooms a better place, to make their communities a better place.
People of nations, it's time to heal the world.
I want to thank Charlie Wagner at Villa Montalvo for bringing me out. I want to thank Y for always being a good collaborator. I want to thank everybody in the classes that participated and made it really work. Thank you for watching my videos, for following. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down there. I'm in post-production now for my film, and I want to make sure as many people could see that film as possible. And also you could follow me on Instagram, Art is Power ORG, no dot. Same thing with Facebook, Art is Power ORG. If you know anyone else who would be interested in my project, please spread the word, have them subscribe. Thank you all again for following. Remember, Art is Power.
In your